I'm shooting with the Insta360 Luna Ultra with a K&F ND2 through 32 filter. I want to capture the sunrise. The sun should be coming up and you see the coloring of the sky, and we're on ND2. We have a couple of fishing boats. We have a couple of swans, and we are not able to do tracking because of the ND filters. It kind of like says it can't track them. And there they are right there. I have practiced this shot a couple of times to get it in frame. I hit the tracking button and it says not able to detect. With the framing off, it's still the same. It's not able to detect. But that is the difference. As you can see, I have the NDs off. There we are with the sunrise. A beautiful shot. Let's get a little closer than 6 times, get right up to 12 times. The world's #1 Nano X series lens filters for the Luna Ultra. There is CPL plus black diffusion 1/4 and ND2 to 32. You get a cleaning cloth, the instruction guide and paperwork, and you get a carrying case, and inside the case will be a screen protector and your 3 filters. This is the 1/4 black mist, your CPL, and this is the ND2 to 32. On the CPL there are 2 little dots, and on the black mist filter it's just as is, and on the ND2 to 32 are the numbers. It looks like number 1, number 2 through 32, and the same over here. I'll bring it nice and close for you so you can see for yourself what it looks like. I'm about 2.5 inches from the camera. In order to put on the filters, you simply place them on over and drop them on. You can close down. We could open up. If we need to remove, it's very difficult on the top and bottom, but on the sides, you simply get your fingers behind here and you pull away either side. You lay on by just placing on, and the opposite end, grab your finger to the side and holding in the center, up and down, and they come off. Placing on correctly, you have over here a sensor. So this little hole, you're going to take and wrap around this particular way and drop them on. All the filters, they will close up nice and comfortable. The question is going to be asked, are they stackable? So let's take this off the same way by grabbing to the side and grabbing a CPL or an ND2 and stack the one on top. And then see if we can close down the lens. And we're not able to close down, and you can see the issue we have here. So these will not close down, they will interfere. But you're able to take off, and you can see the amount of room you have is the bare minimum. The best way for me to show you adjusting is taking my index finger like so and adjusting the little dot by moving on the top. I'm personally not a fan of filters, but I am going to give this a shot and try not to get fingerprints on anything. I have a cleaning cloth so I could clean myself my lenses. For $18 a filter, for another $20 more, you get 3 lenses for the price of 1. I think what I need to do is put more color on it so I can see the dots. Well, I am getting ready to go into Home Depot, Lowe's, and I thought maybe I'll grab this shot right by the pole here so you can see the city skyline. And you got the Freedom Towers right there, right at the second pole. And the sun is going to shine very bright on it.